Feeling sluggish, bloated, or out of balance? Your body might be crying out for a detox. The good news is you don't need expensive cleanses or fad diets, just some amazing, natural foods. Today, we'll uncover 10 powerful detox foods that can flush out toxins, boost your energy, and transform your health. Let's get started. Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm all about sharing simple, science-backed health tips to help you feel your best. Today's topic is one of my favorites: detoxing with food. Each food I'll share has unique properties that help your body cleanse itself naturally. Plus, I'll include tips on how to use them in your daily routine. Let's dive into the list. Food number 1. Lemon. Lemons are like a wake-up call for your liver. Their high vitamin C content boosts the production of glutathione, an antioxidant that helps the liver flush out toxins. Lemon's natural acidity also aids digestion by stimulating stomach acid. How to use: start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Add a teaspoon of honey for extra benefits and a hint of sweetness. Food number 2. Green tea. This ancient drink is more than just a caffeine alternative. Green tea contains catechins, which are antioxidants that improve liver function and combat oxidative stress. It's also known to increase fat metabolism, making it a favorite for detox and weight loss. Pro tip: drink 2 to 3 cups daily, and try matcha for an even higher dose of detoxifying antioxidants. Food number 3. Garlic. Garlic is a natural detox superstar. Its sulfur compounds activate liver enzymes that help break down toxins. It also contains allicin, which has antimicrobial properties to fight harmful bacteria in the gut. How to use: add raw or lightly cooked garlic to soups, stir-fries, or dressings. For maximum detox benefits, crush a clove and let it sit for 10 minutes before eating. It activates the allicin. Food number 4. Ginger. Ginger is a digestive hero. It soothes inflammation, improves gut health, and promotes efficient digestion, which is essential for detoxing. Ginger also increases circulation, helping your body flush out toxins faster. Try this. Make a detox tea by boiling fresh ginger slices with a pinch of turmeric and lemon juice. Food number 5. Spinach. Spinach is packed with chlorophyll, which binds to heavy metals and chemicals in the body to help remove them. It's also rich in magnesium, a mineral that supports the body's detox pathways. Easy additions: use spinach as the base for your salads, blend it into green smoothies, or sauté it with garlic for a quick side dish. Food number 6. Avocado. Avocado is not just creamy and delicious. It's rich in glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that detoxifies your liver. Its healthy fats also support the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins needed for detoxification. Pro tip: make a detox-friendly guacamole by adding diced tomatoes, lime juice, and fresh cilantro. Food number 7. Beets. Beets are like a tune-up for your liver. They're high in betaine and pectin, which help the liver break down and eliminate toxins. Beets also support bile production, crucial for digestion and detoxification. How to use: roast beets with a drizzle of olive oil, or juice them with carrots, apples, and ginger for a vibrant detox drink. Food number 8. Turmeric. This golden spice is famous for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin, its active compound, enhances liver detoxification and helps repair damaged liver cells. Try this. Make a golden latte with turmeric, almond milk, a dash of black pepper, and a touch of honey for a soothing, detoxifying drink. Food number 9. Blueberries. Blueberries are tiny but mighty. They're loaded with anthocyanins, which protect the liver and kidneys while neutralizing free radicals. They also support gut health by feeding good bacteria. Quick snack idea: enjoy them fresh, add them to oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies for a sweet detox boost. Food number 10. Water. Water is the foundation of any detox. It flushes out toxins, keeps your kidneys functioning properly, and supports digestion. Adding natural ingredients like cucumber, lemon, or mint can amplify its detox benefits. Hydration tip. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day and increase your intake if you're active or live in a hot climate. And that's it, 10 amazing foods to help your body detox naturally. The best part, these are easy to find and simple to include in your meals. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready for a health reset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.